Enterprise users can now connect their Align account using an OData API connection. OData, also known as Open Data, is a reliable way to pull data out of your Align account and pour it into a separate reporting platform like Power BI or Tableau, among others. Use OData API capabilities to visualize and combine your Align data with company data brought in from other sources, resulting in valuable insights that could otherwise be overlooked. Leverage your data to create powerful reactive dashboards, KPI displays, and visual analytics. Connecting your Align account to Power BI gives you a live feed with real-time data, organized into easy-to-understand tables and charts. With just some basic Power BI knowledge, it's possible for anyone to start building powerful reports like the ones you see here. But if you're worried you're not techie enough to do it yourself, or you're short on time, we got you. Enterprise customers can contract with our pro services to help you build the reports you're looking for. If you want to learn more about connecting your Align data to a secondary software using OData API connections, reach out to your customer success manager.